Namaskar, dear students. I am zoologist Kamal Kesi. Today I am going to explain about kingdom Animalia. Classification of invertebrates. Phylum Porifera. It consists of three classes. Class first, Calcarea. Spicules made up of calcium in Calcarea. Body is cylindrical, exclusively marine. Example, Cyclone leucosolenia. Class second, Hexatinalida. Spicules made up of silica, cup-shaped body, exclusively marine. Example, Euplactella hyalonema. Class 3, Demospongia. Spicules made up of fibers, body massive, marine as well as freshwater. Example, Spongilla euspongia. Phylum Coelentata. Class Hydrozoa. Polyp and Medusa are present, mostly marine. Mesoglea are non-cellular. Example, Hydra obelia. Class 2, Cyphozoa. Medusa are present, exclusively marine. Mesoglea are cellular. Example, Aurelia rhizostome. Class 3, Anthozoa. Polyp are present, exclusively marine. Mesoglea are fibrous. Example, Metridium pennatula. Phylum Platyhelminthes. It consists of three classes. Class first, Turbellaria. They are free-living, unsegmented, suckers are absent, life cycle is simple. Example, Planaria. Class 2, Trematora. They are parasite, unsegmented, suckers are present, life cycle is complex. Example, Fasciola. Class 3, Cystora. They are parasite, segmented, suckers present, life cycle is complex. Example, Taenia. Phylum Nemathelminthes. It consists of two classes. Class first, Phasmida. In Phasmida are present, Amphida are absent, they are parasite. Example, Ascaris, Trichoris. Class 2, Amphiphasmida. Aphasmida. Phasmida are absent, Amphid is present, they are free-living. Example, Dorylaemus rotifers. Phylum Annelida. It consists of four classes. Class first, Polychaeta. Locomotory organs are parapoid, mainly marine. Clitellum absent, unisexual. Fertilization external, development indirect. Example, Nereis amphitrite. Class 2, Oligochaeta. Locomotory organs are setae, mainly terrestrial. Clitellum present, bisexual. Fertilization external, development direct. Example, Ferritima. Class 3rd, Hirudinea. Locomotory organ are sucker, mostly marine. Clitellum is seen during breeding season. Fertilization external, ectoparasite. Example, Hirudinaria. Archaeannelida. Locomotory organs are tentacles, exclusively marine. Clitellum absent, unisexual. Segmentation internal only, development indirect. Example, Polygardius. Phylum Arthropoda. It consists of four classes. Crustacea. First class, Crustacea. 5 pairs of walking legs are present. Body is divided into cephalothorax and abdomen. Head with 2 pairs of antennae. Respiration by gills. Example, prawn cancer. Class 2, Myriapoda. Many pairs of walking legs. Body is divided into head and trunk. Head with 1 pair of antennae. Respiration by trachea. Example, Zulus scolopendra. Class 3, Hexapoda. 3 pairs of walking legs are present. Body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Head with 1 pair of antenna and compound eyes. Respiration by trachea. Example, Periplaneta peris. Class 4, Archinida. 4 pairs of walking legs are present. Body is divided into presoma, mesosoma, and metasoma. Head without antenna. Respiration by trachea. Example, Palaemonas erini. Phylum Mollusca. It consists of 5 classes. Class 1st, Gastropoda. Flat foot used for creeping. Asymmetrical body covered by shell. They are marine, freshwater, or terrestrial. Head with eyes and sensory tentacles. Example, Pila helix. Class 2, Scapoda. Pointed foot used for burrowing. Bilaterally symmetrical body covered by shell. They are marine. Head with eyes and sensory tentacles. Example, Dentalium. Class 3, Pelecyphoda. Edge-shaped foot used for burrowing. Bilaterally symmetrical body covered by shell with 2 bulbs. They are marine or freshwater. Head with eyes and sensory tentacles. Example, Unio mytilus. Class 4th, Cephalopoda. Foots modified into arms with suckers, bilaterally symmetrical, marine or freshwater, head with eyes and sensory tentacles. Example, Octopus sipi. Class 5, Amphineura. Flat foot used for creeping, bilaterally symmetrical body, marine or freshwater, head with eyes and sensory tentacles. Example, Chiton. Phylum Echinodermata. It consists of 5 classes. Class 1st, Asteroideae. Star-shaped body with 5 arms, tube feet. Oral and areolar surface are distinct. Example, Asterids. Class 2, Ophiroideae. Star-shaped body with 5 arms, anus absent. Example, Ophiderma. Class 3rd, Echinoideae. Spherical body without arms, ambilateral groups present. Example, Echinus. Class 4, Holothuriidae. Elongated body without arms, mouth surrounded by tentacles, ambilateral groups present. Example, Holothuriidae. Class 5, Crinoideae. Globular body with many arms, ambilateral groups present, mouth and anus present in oral side. Example, Antedont. Dear students, please subscribe and share this channel. Thank you.